Kaya hindi?
Kaya. Pahinga na lang muna.
Ito maganda mag-ride kahit hindi mainit. Yan. Kaya na yan. Video. Dali pre, bibi, may camera ka?
Ayun na ang ulan. Kailan makarating tayo sa bago umulan?
Tapos na yun, pagkatapos nito dyan na oh. Tapos na. Oo. Pakalagpas mo lang nito.
Okay.
Huh? What? Your bike? Oh wow. But you can still, it's still drivable going back? Oh wow, I need to tow it.
I can probably get it started, but once we get on the trail.
Yeah. Well,
Can we go?
oh. Ulang. Sabayan ng ulang. Yan. Dali. Huwag ka atras ha. I-start mo muna. Huwag ka atras. Huwag ka atras. Bante. Oh. Yeah. Dali. Sige, nakaharang yung pa ako dito sa unahan. Ayan.
Oh shit! Oh, you're kidding me? The chain, I think.
Chain.
Oh shit.
Hey, fuck.
We're gonna have to lay it over on the side right here.
Pre. Hawakan i-brake mo sa unahan pre ha.
Yeah.
Maybe let's lift it here ha. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, go! Giling ko.
Go. Okay, hold on, look. Can you get it forward more?
Huh?
Push it up forward more.
Hey, straight. Keep it straight.
Dali, clutch.
Yeah.
Okay, push. Sige pa.
Right there. No, that's why it's too freaking. Damn.
We need to pull that and we'll be alright, I think.
Yeah, but how do we do that? That's the problem.
Stuck in there, huh?
Freaking jammed.
It's a neutral. Oh my god.
That is going to be a bitch right there.
Yeah, it's all the way up there too. Is it?
You might have to pull the swing arm off to get that out.
Fuck.
I don't think you're going to be able to get that out without pulling that swing arm because it's
Okay,
jammed.
ano mo nga pre na makataas ito ah. Let's try
What are you trying to do?
moving the wheel.
Okay, you're back.
Itaas mo lang ito ah, dapat makataas ito. Isandal mo doon ah.
It's not going to do anything.
Let's try.
Yeah. The chain's jammed in there.
Yeah, it's jammed.
Before you can do anything, that's got to get unjammed.
Yeah.
And you can't pull the sprocket off.
Moving down.
Push this down, huh?
Hold on a second.
No, looks like moving down. Keep going.
You got something to pry with, like a big piece of wood or something?
No. Try this one.
You don't have any wrenches, huh? No, it's not gonna work. We're gonna have to have something.
Looks like it's
pry.
moving when you move it. Oh, yeah.
It's gonna have to be stronger than that. It's gonna have to be way stronger than this.
That one's look weak. Oh, it's going down. Keep going. Oh, we're almost.
Let me get that
No,
big.
up this, right here. Just like that.
Let me go get that bigger one.
Right here.
Diba? Diba? Sige, gumagalaw. Gumagalaw. Diba?
Let me take this out.
Hold on a second. Hold on. Wait. Let go.
It went down.
Yeah, I want to get it on that slippery part.
Keep going.
It's moving.
We need something. We don't have a wrench or anything we can bang on that with at the same time.
What the fuck? I left my stuff to the tools in my backpack.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Do it on
Hindi, wag mo pupukuan dyan, bro. Bro, wag.
not moving on.
Yeah, it's moving. Keep going. Keep going. Go. Almost. Well,
Bigger rock. Want a bigger rock?
right.
Here, right here.
There you go.
Alright. Thanks God.
Now.
Hallelujah.
Oh, good. You got lucky. You got lucky, babe.
Or na.
When you found me. All right.
Thank you.
Oh man.
You'll be alright. Thank you. Hey.
Diyan.
The way your back tire go back in the hole.
Tuh, sarap, sarap.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Uy!
Ako bro,
Kaya langanin ako dito, hawakan mo.
my leg got stuck in the wheel. On the wheel. Sarap.
Lucky we're not in Mojave.
I know.
Ano?
You had to do that with a cactus.